points. Cross-side sailor. Cross quarter. Rock out out. A again, rocking chair. Back to B, simple. 2 cross points. Cross-side sailor. Back to the front. Here comes B. Touch. Rocking B. Rocking sailor half. Chicken waltz. Twist. Cross rocking shuffle. Cross quarter. Touch. Touch ball change to the shuffle forward. Quarter rocking B. Cross sailor. Chicken waltz. Twist. Ha ha. Twist. Ha ha. Sailor step. Rocking shuffle to the right. Here comes your tag. Rock recover half pivot. 2-step touches. Heart A, rocking chair. Triple to me. Shuffle. 2 cross points. Cross-side sailor. To the front. Heart B, here it comes. Rocking B. Chicken walk. Sailor step. Rocking shuffle to the right. Heart B again. Touch ball change in the shuffle forward. Quarter rocking weave. Chicken walk. Twist. Rocking shuffle. To the front. Part A. Rocking chair. Shuffle. 2 cross points. Cross quarter, shuffle half. Part A again, rocking chair. Shuffle forward. 2 cross points. Cross-side sailor. To the front, here comes part B. Touch ball change in the shuffle forward. Quarter rocking weave. Chicken waltz. Twist. Sailor step. Rockin' shuffle to the right. Heart B again with the touch. Rockin' weave. Rockin' sailor. Chicken walk. Now the twist. Rockin' shuffle. Part A, rocking chair. Shuffle forward. And side. 2 cross points. Cross-side sailor. To the back. Here comes your ending. Rock recover out and in.